Forecast and meteorologist Mike Iskevitz. Mike, this thing in the Gulf is kind of unusual, isn't it?
It really is, Jose. Yeah, it can be traced back to Isaac that made landfall a week ago. Now, obviously, it didn't hold together for the last 7 days, but a lot of the thunderstorm activity we're seeing there near New Orleans right now is what's left over from Isaac. Some of it went to the East Coast. Some of it has made a trip down, and boy, is it looking impressive. This is what can also be referred to as a mesoconvective complex, which is one of these big areas of thunderstorms that hangs around for a long time, sometimes 12, 18 hours. But see, the problem is now it's over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, where the water temperatures are around 87 degrees. And so the radar is just lit up here with heavy thunderstorms. And in fact, some computer models are indicating that we may see some possible development here into a tropical depression or even a storm in the days to come. Now, bad news for folks here in very hard-hit Plaquemines Parish and in St. Bernard Parish, where you know they were hit so hard a week ago by Isaac when it made its first, landfall. Well, they're getting more heavy downpours right now. And here's just a quick look ahead at what some of the computer models are depicting here. This is the NAM model, or the North American Mesoscale model. And this particular one is picking up on a little rotation forming here off to the south and east of New Orleans. So obviously we'll keep an eye on that. By the way, I wanted to share this with you. Storms like this, although rare, not unheard of. I wanted to take you back to the year 2004, and you may remember Major Hurricane Ivan. It slammed Alabama. Here's a look back at what Ivan did back then. We actually ended up getting hit by a tropical storm. Part 2 of Ivan actually moved into the Texas coastline. We'll take a look at where this potential storm might be headed, and more importantly, I think a bigger impact on us, we'll talk about the weekend cold front and how much it's going to cool us down. Jose?